Hi there, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be practicing power yoga. So let's get started. All you need is a yoga mat, yourself, and a will to practice with me. So let's get started. First and foremost, sit in any comfortable position. Half Sukhasana, full Sukhasana, against the wall, with the wall. Wherever you feel comfortable, keep your spine straight, like water is falling from your back. Keep your hips, sit bones relaxed over your yoga mat. Close your eyes if you haven't already and breathe and try to observe the natural rhythm of your inhalation and exhalation. Do not force to breathe fast or slow. Just observe your breathing. And once you feel more centered and aligned, then gently open your eyes and get into all your fours, where your hips and knees are in a line and shoulder and palms are in a line. Stretch one palm at a time by extending one of the palm too far away from your body and probably bending the other elbow to have better support. Do the same. First reverse the palm and extend it far and just give a good nice stretch. Then back to the neutral position. Tuck your toes in and inhale, look up. And exhale, curl your spine and look at the navel. Inhale, look up. Exhale, curl your spine. Inhale. Try to make this movement as slow as possible. And then inhale and extend right hand and left leg at the back. And then with a gradual exhale, squeeze the arm and the knee together at the navel. Same you do from the left side. Inhale, extend. And then exhale to curl your spine and bring the elbow and knee to the heart or close to navel. Now inhale, extend the leg at the back in tiger pose. And then with exhale, bring the foot next to the left palm. Breathe nicely. Hold the pose and continue breathing. And then again inhale, leg raise up high. Hold the pose again, breathe. And then exhale, bring the foot next to the palm. Continue breathing. And then exhale, bring to all four back. Now inhale, lift up the right leg at the back. With the exhale, bring the right foot next to right palm. Breathe nicely. Inhale. And then exhale again. Hold the pose but continue breathing. And then with exhale, bring all fours back to the neutral position. As you inhale, ground the palm and bring the body forward. And exhale, you lower down your hips. Inhale, you push the body forward. And with exhale, bring the hips down close to the heels. Do it a couple of times. And then with exhale, stand on your feet. Keep your toes grounded, your knees bent, hands over your feet, and then eventually hold the elbow from the sides of your palm. And practice ragdoll from side to side. And then with exhale, bring your body in a straight line, stand up tall. Hands goes at the back interlocked. Create more space in your heart. Open up your chest. Inhale, lift up your heels. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale, lift again, and exhale down. Inhale one more time, and then exhale, lower down the heels. Now take your hands at the top of your head by holding the elbows, and again inhale and try to look at one point for a better focus, and exhale, lower down. Inhale again, exhale down, and then with inhale you try to release the hands and extend the right foot in the distance of 3 to 4 feet apart from the left one. You inhale, extend your arms to the side, and with exhale fold it to the right side of your body by extending the right toe to the side. Keep the other hand in the air or to the side of your head and keep the chest open. Keep looking forward or at the extended thumb of your hand. Exhale, look down, and then release the pose. Change the side of the leg. Extend the left foot out. Inhale and exhale. Fold to the left side. You can keep your hands at the shin bone or even higher, wherever you feel most comfortable at. And then look down, exhale, and release. Now, fold the right knee and extend the left leg at the back. Hands over your hips, and then eventually at the heart center, and probably you see if you can extend it over the head to practice warrior one. Hold and keep breathing, and then with a bigger exhalation bring the hands down, and with support you can change your side to the left hip. This time fold the left knee, hands over the heart center or over your head, and again in warrior one from the other side of the leg. Breathe nicely, exhale, and back to the neutral position. Bend your knees to get into a goddess's pose. You continue to bring your hips down and pulsate your lower body in the goddess's pose for a couple of times. You can keep your hands over your hips or at the belly or at the heart center or over your head, wherever you feel most comfortable at. And eventually try to hold the goddess's pose by continuing to breathe and then release. Now come forward of your yoga mat, and then hands goes together or in the interlock position and sit down in a lower squat. Keep the hands together or over your feet and practice this Malasana from standing tall to the halfway and then lowering down your hips. This is a very deep squat. If you feel uncomfortable, you can just practice as far as you can. Practice 5 to 10 rounds of it. Remember to not round your back and not compromising on the posture. And then eventually extend the left leg back while keeping the left knee down. Fold the right leg and then extend it to halfway of the split. Going from lunge to half split to create more range of motion for hamstring and hips. And then probably stand on your half split while having a support over the wall. And eventually change the side, again lunge to half split. Have hands over your hips or at the wall to have a support. And eventually, whenever you feel ready, lie down on your belly over the yoga mat. Keep your palms right next to the shoulder to the sides. And then with inhale, lift up your head and probably your neck and the upper body as far as you can. And if you feel confident and comfortable, get into a deeper back bend by holding it in Bhujangasana. Exhale, lower down. Again, inhale, lift up. This time, try to lift up your knees away from the yoga mat and hold as long as you can, maybe up to 3 breaths. And then with exhale, release. From here, fold your knees and get into a child's pose. Extend your hands, your upper body as far as you can. Try to lower down your shoulder rolls and bring the hands more close to the yoga mat. You can keep your forehead or chin at the yoga mat. And then from here, eventually lie down over your back on the yoga mat. Align yourself. Bring the feet close to your hip. Lower down your lower spine over the yoga mat. Do not have any spacing, and then fold the right knee and eventually extend the leg. Hold the thigh from the outside, and if that allows, hold the big toe using your hand. Extend the leg. Similarly, do the same from the left leg. Extend it, hold, support, and if you feel comfortable and confident, then grab the big toe, or you can continue practicing by just holding the leg also. Extend and hold and breathe. And after holding for 2 to 3 rounds of breath, eventually release the leg down. Now extend the right leg down and do the same from the left side. Now fold the right knee and then left knee again to just see how your pelvic floor is doing, and then with inhale, lift up your hips and hold the knees in bridge pose. Keep your hips as high as you can and keep breathing. Hold it for 5 to 10 rounds of breath, and then eventually with exhale, lower down your hips. Now extend right leg and then left leg. Check your hip flexors, how sturdy and comfortable they are over the yoga mat. Hands over your chest and belly. And breathe nicely. As you inhale, your belly rises up, and as you exhale, your belly goes down. You inhale from your nose to chest and then eventually to belly, and you exhale from again, first from belly and then chest and finally from your nose. Let this rhythm continue and you continue to relax and feel all the relaxation in your whole body. Feel and use this time to reconnect with yourself while you completely relax after this flow. Keep breathing and relax. Tell yourself a big thank you for showing up for yourself and choosing to practice and feel good for yourself in your body and in your mind. And whenever you feel ready, make some movement, stretch your body in a line, and eventually, with very minimal effort, change your side and sit up straight. You can continue keeping your eyes closed still. Use this time to have another few rounds of breath. You can keep your hands wherever you feel most comfortable at. You continue breathing, and whenever you feel ready, rub your palms, gather all the energy, and have the palms over your face, eyes, and face, and eventually open your eyes. If you have liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, bye bye.